January 22nd is National Answer Your Cat's Questions Day. This is a day to answer our cat's questions. On this special day, we listen to every meow and try to understand what our cats mean. This day may resonate with all the cat owners who are watching this video. We are sure that there are many times when we look at our cat and think about what he is thinking. Well, now is the time to find out. This day encourages cat owners to care about their feline friends and to find answers to their cat's questions. This day is designed for all cat lovers who want to learn more about their cats and help their cats have a better life. In ancient Egypt, cats were so revered and they were mummified and had the same dignity as humans. Today, we love our cats so much more than their ability to reduce the mouse population that we often ponder what our cat's every sound might mean. Cats are complex creatures that can be very affectionate and loving one day and fearful of everything the next. They are sensitive and curious creatures that love to socialize, but they also value their alone time. Their nature makes them difficult to understand, which is why this day is such an important one, going to allow us to better understand our cats. Sure, we don't really talk to our cats, but we can see the problems through our cat's eyes. It is a day about paying closer attention to our cats and trying to understand their motivations, actions, and attitudes. It is a very interesting day to think about what kind of questions our cats would ask us if we could communicate. Although our cats can't speak human and we can't speak cat, there are still many ways we can interact and communicate with them. By putting ourselves in our cat's shoes for a day, we can try to understand what they do, why they do it, and how we can improve our relationship with our cats. This is the painting we've done with all your pastels for this special day. Wish you a great National Answer Your Cat's Questions Day. Cheers!